Welcome. Today we're going to talk about bridging the gap, guided awareness of posture between therapy, exercise, and the way you move throughout everyday life. The goal is simple, to help you move better, not just in the gym or clinic, but in every moment of your day. There's a major gap in how most people approach their movement health. Therapy is often reactive, something we seek after pain or injury. Exercise is seen as separate, something we do for fitness or sport. But daily life, where we spend most of our time, gets overlooked. The result? Breakdowns in posture, efficiency, and long-term resilience. Think about it. You might spend an hour in the gym, but you spend countless hours sitting, standing, walking, bending, and lifting. These everyday movements are where stress builds up, or health is reinforced. By learning to manage these daily actions, we can turn ordinary moments into opportunities for better health. Let's start with the foundation, your core kinetic chain, the pelvis, spine, and head. Think of it as your body's central mast. Every move you make, whether with your arms or legs, is anchored here. A well-organized core kinetic chain keeps your whole body aligned, balanced, and responsive. Your lower limb kinetic chain connects you to the ground. Feet, ankles, knees, hips, this is your suspension system. When it's organized, forces from walking, standing, or running flow smoothly. When it's not, those forces overload joints and ripple upward, affecting your back and even your upper body. Your upper limb kinetic chain links your core to the world above the waist. Shoulder blades, arms, elbows, and hands. It's how you express strength, dexterity, and precision. But here's the key. Its efficiency depends on the stability of your core. A balanced core kinetic chain frees your arms to move with power and ease. Now let's connect structure with strategy. 3 frameworks guide how we manage daily movement: predictive processing theory, the OODA Loop, and dance martial arts principles. Together, they help us bring awareness, adaptability, and creativity into how we move every day. Your brain isn't just reacting, it's predicting. Every time you move, it compares what it expects to what actually happens. New or unusual movements grab attention and update your brain's movement maps. Familiar, repetitive ones keep you on autopilot. That's why introducing novelty into daily movement, like varying how you sit, stand, or bend, keeps your body adaptable and resilient. The OODA Loop, observe, orient, decide, act, was designed for high-stakes decision-making. But it works beautifully for movement. Observe your body and environment. Orient by noticing what needs adjustment. Decide on a better option. Act with intention, then repeat. This feedback loop sharpens awareness and keeps your movements efficient and responsive. Finally, the dance martial arts approach reminds us that movement should be playful. By adding unpredictability, spontaneity, and creativity, you challenge your nervous system to adapt. At the heart of this practice are 3 pillars: intention, moving with purpose; attention, staying mindful; and awareness, listening to your body and adjusting in real time. Together, they foster resilience in both body and mind. So how do we bridge the gap? By integrating these frameworks into our everyday actions: standing, sitting, bending, lifting, walking. With guided awareness of posture, your body becomes more efficient, your movements more sustainable, and your health more resilient. The bridge between therapy, exercise, and daily life isn't built in the gym, it's built in every moment you move. We've explored how movement isn't just about exercise or therapy. It's about how you live every moment of your day. From standing and sitting to lifting, bending, and walking, every action is an opportunity to build strength, adaptability, and resilience. But this is just the beginning. If you want to take these ideas further, discover practical tools, and learn how to integrate movement management into your daily life, visit www.humoma.com. At Humoma, you'll find resources designed to help you move not just more, but better. Because when you manage your movement, you don't just improve your health, you unlock the potential for a stronger, more sustainable way of living. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you take the next step.